Hey, what's up, you guys? This is your boy Val Hassel back at it again, and I got a new video, guys. So this is 5 ways to build your side hustle during COVID-19. I'm trying to stay a little bit more productive. I know this is like day 100 of the quarantine, so there's a lot of videos about COVID-19 and the quarantine and stuff. So I'm trying to make it a little bit positive. Now, long story short, these are 5 ways to build a side hustle during COVID-19. This is kind of like a skills type of workshop. So, hustle number one, learn computer skills. This is going to be extremely valuable in the future, and it's already valuable now. And as we move forward, you're going to see more and more emphasis on this. So, build computer skills, whether it's something like for engineers like AutoCAD or SolidWorks, or video editing software, or photo editing like Photoshop, or something like Adobe or Excel. No matter where you work, whether it's banking, manufacturing, no matter whatever industry, this can really help you. There is some classical skills that everybody's trying to get into, like software development and web development. This is also very, very useful. So if you are into that, take this chance, take this opportunity, take a few courses online. There's really good platforms like Coursera, edx.org, and they offer free courses to try, like entire courses. You don't need to pay anything. You just audit the course. You don't get the certificate if you don't pay. However, you get the knowledge, and that's what you're aiming for here, guys. Now, another thing that you might want to consider if you're a little bit more artsy and creative and you like building things, you have like kind of the engineering mindset, I recommend doing 3D printing. Personally, it's one of my favorite pastimes, and it's the perfect time to experiment and to try new things. All right, so tip number two, a lot of people are trying to transition into software. I touched upon this before, and it's really, really good if you want to try it out now, especially if you don't have any other like time heavy obligations. A lot of us are sitting home, and we got the time to try new things. So again, look into the link in the description below. I will link you some good resources where you can find good programming and coding classes, and to get started in software development as fast as possible. By the way, guys, remember, practice makes perfect. So it's really fundamental to start practicing rather than just to go on this endless loop of watching different videos, thinking that you will perfect it, because you won't. You will only perfect things once you start practicing and once you start doing them. All right. So tip number three, social media marketing. So social media is a huge industry right now. A lot of advertisers, a lot of third party resellers are on social media for a reason, because it's where a lot of our attention is. And if you guys spend a lot of time there, I really recommend you check it out. I personally am not a huge social media marketing fan or expert at this point in time, but I have some friends that are pretty good at social media, and they know how to grow pages, they know how to grow the audience, they know how to get people's attention. So I really recommend that. This is very popular in the millennial and Generation Z, but it's also doesn't exclude any other generation. So please go ahead and try that. So side hustle number four, get in better shape. That's actually good for not only for your body but also for your mind. When you're getting in better shape, there's studies have proven that you not only your productivity increases, but you are also much better, much more focused at whatever it is that you're doing. So get outdoors, take some stretch breaks, go for a walk, pick up those old dumbbells and hula hoops that you got lying around, and just get moving. The name of the channel is Val Hustle, and that's what we are doing here. We're trying to get moving, get shit done. So side hustle number five, last but not least, spend some quality time with your family, with your loved ones, with whoever you are in quarantine with. This is a good time because life is just made up of special moments and memories, and everything in between is just space and time. Yeah, so E equals MC squared, and that's it. I'm out, guys. Peace out. This has been Val Hustle.